If you've ever looked closely at Bikini Bottom, you'll notice that the houses there seem to be infinitely large. The space there defies all logic. It can be infinitely large or infinitely small, entirely depending on the needs of the plot. This isn't just an exaggeration in animation, it's some forgotten truth about space. Now, let's conduct a thought experiment. 1. How big is Bikini Bottom? In Euclidean geometry, it has boundaries. But in the logic of animation, its boundaries depend on your attention. When you stare at a single sesame seed in a Krabby Patty, it might contain a galaxy. When you just want to quickly cross the street, the entire ocean can be folded into a single step. Imagine one day, a madman decides to digitize this animation logic and create a true metaverse. He can't use existing Unity or Unreal engines because those engines are based on length, width, and height. He needs a completely new framework. 2. How to create a metaverse. The answer isn't to build more polygons, but to rewrite the underlying protocols of space. We need to abandon coordinate systems and instead use an abstract topological structure based on emotion, narrative, and absurdity. Welcome to Cebu Space. This isn't Cebu Island in the Philippines, it's a mathematical anomaly. Here, distance is no longer measured in meters, but defined by absurdity. Here, space is non-Hausdorff, and the observer is the rendering engine. 3. This is Cebu Space. It is the ultimate form of mathematizing absurdity on non-Euclidean topological universe measured by narrative logic. Narrator. But this is more than just a thought experiment. That madman has already taken action. We've built the core dynamic simplistic complex engine, implementing a topological phase transition algorithm based on absurdity. This isn't a PowerPoint presentation, this is running code. Our topology library is now open source. Pause, emphasis access this repository. Here, you can see how we define infinity, how we implement causality reversal in code, and how to initialize the first non-Euclidean node. This is the cornerstone of Cebu Space, and your gateway to this crazy world. In Cebu Space, the traditional backquote if x greater than 100 backquote statement has been abandoned, replaced by backquote if absurdity greater than threshold backquote. The traditional metaverse attempts to simulate reality, while Cebu Space aims to perfectly simulate violations of reality. Now, the source code is before you, awaiting your fork and pull request. If you're prepared to abandon navigation, maps, and even logic, then, the first line of code is ready. Go clone this project. Do you dare submit your first absurd patch?